Good morning, class. So today we are going to learn about what? Mixtures, elements and compound as our what? Our new strands. But the substrand is going to be about what? The mixtures. So first of all, we need to understand the meaning of each term here. What is a mixture? A mixture is what? The physical combination of what? Two or more substances that does what? Retain their individual properties. That one is a mixture. Are you together? Now, we need also to classify the mixtures. We have two main classes of the mixtures. One of it is what? Homogeneous. The second one, heterogeneous. When you talk about homogeneous, is whereby when you combine the two substances, they do what? They mix uniformly. When we say they mix uniformly, inamaanisha one of it dissolve in the other. So it means we form what? A clear solution. Are we together? For example, if we are adding sugar in water, what happens? The sugar particles dissolves in the water. And that solid, which is the sugar particles, are also known as what? The solute. And the medium that sugar particles dissolves is known as what? The solvent. So if you mix salt and water, salt is a solute, water is a solvent. You are going to get what? A solution. That's why at the end we call it what? Sugar solution, if it is a mixture of what? Sugar and water. If it is salt and water, salt solution. So those two are examples of what? Homogeneous mixture. They mix uniformly. Are we together? When we go to the second class, which is the heterogeneous, is whereby the two substances, they don't mix. Are we together? The particles don't mix to form a uniform mixture. Are we together? An example is what? Sand and sugar. Sand and sugar, they don't mix. They just form what? Distinct layers. Are we together? If also you take water, you add what? Tea leaves. What happens? They don't mix to give a uniform solution. So you classify them as what? Heterogeneous. Are we together? So let us carry out some experiments here to categorize different mixtures as homogeneous and heterogeneous. The first column is about the mixtures. The second column, that's where after carrying the experiment we classify, isn't it? So the first row, we are having maize and beans. So these are different substances, beans and maize. So we are going to mix them. So what happened? Okay, I can just also shake. What can you see? The mixture is not forming what? Uniform. The particles are not uniformly distributed, isn't it? So to classify as heterogeneous. Good. So this one is heterogeneous. Next one, water and tea leaves. So this is the tea leaves. We add what? Water. Then we shake. We leave it to settle. What do you observe? We are having two layers. At the bottom part is what? The tea leaves, which is in solid state. The top layer is water. As much as the color of the water has turned to brown, isn't it? So this one is also under which class? Heterogeneous, because the water particles and the tea leaves, they are not mixing to give a uniform solution. So itakuwa ni nini? Heterogeneous. Lastly, water and salt. Water and salt. So, but for our case, we don't have salt, we are having the sugar. So, if I add water to sugar, if we could be at the lab, we could be using what? The stirring rod to stir. Are we together? So while carrying an experiment, don't rush to give the conclusion or to state the observation. Just have to take your time. Now, what can you see? A uniform solution, isn't it? Meaning that the particles are what? Evenly distributed. So this one we classify it as homogeneous mixture. Good. Sawa. Then after classifying them, now you can conclude by saying that what? A homogeneous mixture is whereby what? The substance that make up the mixture are uniformly distributed. Uniformly distributed. Are we together? And mostly is what? A liquid and a salt. A solid particle. And that solid particle should be what? Miscible. Not all solid particles are miscible. Nikisema miscible inamaanisha it dissolves or it mixes with the liquid completely. Are we together? Examples, we have what? Salt water. We can also have what? Sugar solution. Are we together? Those are examples of what? Homogeneous mixtures. But if in an exam, wamekuletea two substances, assuming wamekuletea sand and water, then they tell you to classify. This one, utai classify as homogeneous or heterogeneous? This one is heterogeneous. The sand particles does not dissolve in water. It will just form muddy solution, whereby the solid particles are also being suspended in that one, water. Tunaelewana? So not all solids will dissolve in the liquid. Are we together? So for it to form a homogeneous mixture, it means that solid should be what? Miscible. And the example of miscible solids ni nini? Sugar, salt. Are we together?